Prior to Servicefinder, we used EasyBus, which wasn't as complete a program. I had complaints from my head mechanic about the fact that it just didn't do all the things he wanted it to do. We knew Servicefinder was out there, so we took a look at it, and it basically answered all the questions that we had and all the problems that we had. Both myself and him both like using it. I use it mostly for the reports. He uses it for just about everything else, from parts inventory to scheduling work orders and keeping track of that data on the vehicles. And also he schedules the mechanics their work day now every day. He gives each mechanic a color, and that blocks out their time and then what vehicle they're working on that day and what job they're doing. You know, when they're done with a job, instead of writing out a work order on paper, they can just punch it up on the laptop we have in the service bay for them to use. So it definitely is making us more electronic, and that's my goal with the whole department, is to make us more electronic. But Servicefinder is definitely helping and aiding in that. So it's a very complete program.